News now coming in from Bareilly in Uttar Pradesh, where there has been unrest and there was a protest linked to the I Love Muhammad campaign. Cops have lathi charged these protesters. So that is the breaking news. In fact, this protest was taking place outside a mosque in Bareilly when, as you can see, this action taking place. It is a group that was holding up those posters. There has recently been a huge controversy over this campaign and posters of I Love Muhammad being carried, and that is leading to all kinds of in fact action by the authorities. And as you can see there, the police action there against those protesters. Well, let's go across to Ranveer now for more. Give us all the details of what exactly happened here in Bareilly.
Bareilly police used baton on protesters who have gathered near Islamia ground on appeal of Taqir Raza, a Muslim cleric. He appealed that the Muslims should come together. They should show their strength over the I Love Muhammad versus I Love Mahadev issue. And today, Maulana Taqir Raza requested everyone that after the namaz, they should gather near the Islamia ground. And today, Taqir Raza was not present there, but the mob, the crowd after the namaz, they gathered together, they raised slogans, and during the slogans, police requested that the people should go back to their respective homes, to their respective areas. But the mob was continuously increasing, the number of protesters were increasing, and that's why police used baton to disperse the mob. Today, the situation is not normal because due to this I Love Mahadev and I Love Muhammad issue, police issued alert to all sensitive areas in Uttar Pradesh, and that's why the security arrangements were beefed up. The security was done by drones, was done by intelligence, was police and paramilitary forces were deployed, and that's why a major incident averted. So today at Bareilly, a huge number of protesters gathered outside a mosque near Islamia ground on the appeal of Maulana Taqir Raza, and police, when requested the mob to go back to their home, and they denied so. They raised slogans, objectionable slogans were raised by the protesters, and that's why Bareilly police used baton on these protesters. So just due to an appeal of Maulana Taqir Raza, the situation became worse, and that's why police used force to disperse the mob. So now the security arrangements have been beefed up, and police is trying to control the situation, but we can say that the situation is, as of now, not under control, and the tension prevails in Bareilly.
That's right, Ravish. Also, if we talk about the genesis of this entire controversy, it started with action in Kanpur, isn't it? After some posters saying I Love Muhammad was taken out, and then after that complaints were filed and there was action. It's become, sort of a fight over, the people being allowed to carry these posters. And now we're seeing, after Friday prayers in Bareilly, this action taking place and the police cracking down on those holding up these posters saying I Love Muhammad.
I'll try to explain what the issue is. On 4th of September in Kanpur, some people were protesting, some were joining a procession of Bara Wafat, and then the mob, they tried to erase a tent, and on the tent there was a poster raised which was mentioning I Love Muhammad. So the second party, they raised objection over this tent, and due to the tent, police said that they have to remove the tent because it is not as per the permission. So an FIR were lodged, some action were taken by Kanpur police, and the Muslim society, they said that the police had taken action due to I Love Muhammad poster, and that issue was raised few days after by some political leaders, and that become a national issue. And after these statements by the political leaders, this issue has become a national issue, not only in UP but in other states also. Some processions were seen, some people were raising slogans, and due to this controversy, the Hindu society also raised some posters saying "I love Mahadev." So there is no objectionable thing in "I love Mahadev" or "I love Muhammad," but despite all that things, due to political statements, the issue has become a matter of controversy, and now we are seeing that in Bareilly, the mob, they raise slogans against the administration, they raise slogans against the government, and some slogans against the policies, and that's why the situation was becoming normal and abnormal, and police used baton on the protesting mob. So now police is trying to control the situation, but we can say that situation is tense in Bareilly, and UP police is trying to see that whether at other places people should not gather in such a number, and they should not try to disturb the law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh.
That's right. Ranveer, again, if you could just tell us, what exactly happened in Bareilly. It seems, as you said, after Friday prayers that this big crowd gathered, and also holding up these "I love Muhammad" posters has become something of a movement in Uttar Pradesh ever since that action was taken in Kanpur. And we can also see the police were there in a huge number. Was it something expected? And, after the crowds tried to march, the police crackdown took place.
Today is Friday, and on every Friday afternoon, people gathers at mosque to offer Jume ki namaz. And now, on the day of Jume ki namaz, Maulana Taqir Raza, who is a Muslim cleric, he appealed people of Muslims, especially the Muslims of Bareilly, so to gather at Islamia ground to show their strength, to raise their voices over the controversy of "I love Muhammad" versus "I love Mahadev." And after his appeal, the administration was in panic, and that's why the security arrangements were beefed up. The administration requested everyone just to offer prayer and return back to their houses. But today, after the Friday prayers, the mob gathered near the Islamia ground, and the mob raised some objectionable slogans. Police initially requested everyone to go back, to return to their houses, but the mob was continuously increasing. The number of protesters were increasing, and the slogans were very much objectionable, and that's why the police tried to maintain the law and order situation, and that's why they used baton on the protesting mob. So some of the people reportedly they pelted stone on policemen also, and that's why the situation was becoming worse, and police used baton on the protesting mob so to control the law and order situation. And now we are seeing that the situation, the roads are filled with some slippers and shoes, because the protesters who were protesting in near the Bareilly Islamia ground, they were running due to police lathi charge, and they left their shoes and slippers. And we got some information that some of the protesting mobs, they pelted stone on policemen, and that occurred. The situation worked worst, and police used baton to control the law and order situation. So the situation is absolutely tense. The administration, or the police administration, the top level officials in Lucknow, they are monitoring the situation, and they have instructed the local authorities to take stern action against those who are trying to disturb the normalcy in Bareilly. So the situation is tensed, but police is trying to control the situation now.
Right, and Ranveer, we do know that many prominent leaders have also questioned how this has become such a huge controversy in Uttar Pradesh, and been critical of the Yogi Adityanath administration. You have Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah saying, why are these three words become so controversial? "I love Muhammad." Asaduddin Owaisi has given an interview to NDTV, in fact also spoken about this entire controversy, and saying, why take away people's fundamental rights to say something, to protest, even if they want to sloganeer. Why this sort of crackdown that we're seeing? And there you can see those visuals on your screens, what Ranveer was just describing, how the police cracked down, how their slippers and shoes are just left there, and people are just running helter-skelter after this massive gathering that took place following the Friday prayers in Bareilly. This was after a call was made by the cleric there to hold a protest, and they all had gathered to submit some kind of memorandum, and there was sloganeering and of course being described as the crowd turning violent, but it could have just been a massive crowd of people. As you can see, a huge number of police in riot gear, ready there and cracking down on that massive crowd that had gathered outside of this particular mosque in Bareilly. But yes, Ranveer, coming back to you, several leaders, as I said, Omar Abdullah, Saduddin Owaisi, have questioned this sort of action being taken for carrying these I Love Muhammad posters.
This controversy started from Kanpur on the day of 4th September when the Bara Wafat procession was going on. So police lodged an FIR. And after the FIR, some people said that the FIR was lodged just because of a poster which was mentioning I Love Muhammad. So Kanpur police issued a press release. They issued a statement that this FIR is not related to I Love Muhammad, but this is just against the practice of erasing a tent on road, because that was not permitted, and police appealed the people who are attending the procession to remove the tent as soon as possible. But the mob was saying that no, they are not ready to remove the tent, and that's why the FIR was lost. So some political leaders, some clerics, they increased the controversy. They said that the entire FIR, the entire action by police was due to I Love Muhammad poster, and the issue was going off, but some political leaders and clerics, they again raised some voices. They said that the Muslims are not getting rights of using a poster mentioning I Love Muhammad. So this raised the sentimental issues between the Muslims, and that's why today, due to Friday, administration was alert. Administration was they identified the sensitive areas, and that's why police personals were there, the security arrangements were there. But despite that arrangements, Maulana Taqi Raza, he appealed the Muslims of Bareilly to gather to show their strength, to object about the so-called action by the police over the controversial poster. So no one is in position to say that what is the controversy, what is the real controversy. Is there any controversy of saying I love Muhammad or I love Mahadev? If I'm a Hindu, I can say I love Mahadev. If someone is Muslim, he or she can say that she or he loves Muhammad. So this is everyone's right, but no one knows what is actual controversy. But despite all that, you can see people, they are objecting entering of any Muslims in Dandiya, because Navratra is going on, and obviously they are getting on roads, they are raising slogans. A few days back we seen that people were chanting slogans like Sartan Se Juda. So obviously this is a practice of disturbing the law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh, and not only in Uttar Pradesh, but we have seen that the controversy reached to Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and so many other districts, so many other states. So obviously this is just because of the controversial statement by the clerics, by the political parties, by the political leaders, and that's why the situation is getting worse day by day.